My name is Ingvar Mathisen. I'm the Port Director CEO of Port of Oslo. I'm also the current chair of Ports of Norway. It's an interest organization for about 60 Norwegian ports. Well, we have been a member of CLIA for some time, and I find it very useful to meet colleagues and also, of course, the cruise executives. So although I have been at many conferences, the conference itself is good, but the best thing is to meet people in the breaks. That is a very good question. So I have been to very many of these conferences. But I think I liked the session led by Mark Robinson very well, and also we have some familiar faces there. And I thought it was a very easy going, and it was a good atmosphere, and it has some good insights to what they are doing. Well, we are by far the largest city and place in Norway. Still, we are ranking on about fifth or sixth largest cruise ports. So there are no cities or towns in Norway that can take more additional cruise and provide guests and crew time of the life in Oslo. Well, it's a relational industry. So we have had a very good conversation also after the official conference program. Out there by the pool, maybe a little drink, and we discuss all kinds of matters, business, life, and then you get to know people really,